Chapter 7. Finding Materials. It can be very difficult to find materials, and many of them come from under the ground or underwater. How do we find and collect these materials? Seeing under the ground. We find different minerals in different types of rock. People called geologists study different rocks to find minerals in them. They also study rivers and oceans to see what minerals are in the water. Other scientists use machines to measure how electricity and radio signals go through different rocks in the ground. They also use trucks that hit the ground, and then machines measure how the ground moves. This tells them about the rocks and minerals under the ground. Drilling. Machines called drills make holes in the ground and collect small pieces of rock. Geologists study this rock to look for minerals. People also use drills to take oil from the ground. They make holes called oil wells, and they use pumps to take liquid oil from the ground. People use oil platforms to get oil from under the ocean. Some platforms stand on big legs under the water. It's difficult to get the oil because the water is very deep and the weather can be bad too.
Discover!
The Petronas oil platform between Mexico and the USA is 609 meters tall, and 435 meters of it is under the water. Mines. Coal is a black mineral that people burn for heat in homes or factories. People dig mines to get coal and other minerals like gold and diamonds. Open-cast mines are big holes in the ground. Huge digging machines take the rock from the mines. Sometimes people use dangerous chemicals called explosives to break the rocks. Underground mines have tunnels deep under the ground. Miners work in the tunnels and cut the rock. It's very dangerous work because rocks can fall and water or gas can get into the tunnels.
Discover!
The world's deepest mines are in South Africa. Miners work more than 3.5 kilometers underground. Water and soil. Salt is a mineral that we use for cooking and lots of other things. People can get salt by putting seawater into pools. When it's sunny, the water evaporates, but the salt stays in the pool. Later, people collect the salt. In some places, there are gems or minerals in the soil. People use water to get them out of the soil. To find gold, people put soil into a round object called a pan. When they wash the pan with water, the grains of gold go to the bottom of the pan.